third slime kit video. Yeah.
I'm gonna do the clear glue this time.
Okay.
By clear glue.
Okay, that's not weird at all.
Okay, then like a bottle of there.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's start. Okay, open. Wow. Oh wait, where's the other white glue?
I don't know.
Because didn't it come with two?
Yeah.
Didn't you use the other one? Stand up. You might be sitting on it. Do you feel anything hard in your butt?
What is she even talking about?
Oh wait. There's something hard under here. Oh, it's just the cap. Okay, guys. I'm using some of your clear glue. Okay, I got like a microscopic amount out. Okay, that's enough. Elle?
I
I wish
think
I
so.
could pop this up. Oh yeah, I can. There we are. Oh, it shot out of my pants! The glue shot out of my pants! What the heck?
Oh.
Pause the video. We'll be right
Okay.
back. I got a paper towel. I gotta clean my pants over here. And Elle will talk to you about what type of slime we're making.
We're making glitter slime. And I'm gonna add yellow coloring. Coloring, I
I'm
mean.
over here, by the way, guys.
She's like on top of that camera.
The chair
Or camera.
is holding the camera. Oh gosh, now my pants is wet. It looks like I peed, but I really didn't.
That's the pink color.
Oh, you put yellow! And she was so inspired to put yellow. Where's the clear glue?
It's there.
Right there.
That's good.
I'm mixing clear glue with white glue.
That was blue.
There's like
Let's get new spoons.
new spoons. What color do you want?
I want yellow.
I want white then. Wait, why do we need new spoons?
Because
Okay. You have like tons more than me, so I'm gonna just keep on going.
oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
You know we're still filming, right?
Yeah.
Talk to them.
It looks so pretty, guys. Look.
She's doing yellow. Oh my gosh, this thing. Squeezing like the life out of it.
And I like to stir faster than her.
I'm not even stirring. I'm
What?
squeezing still. Oh, the spoon's in my hair! The spoon got stuck in my hair. I'm like a mess right now. Okay, I put enough. Now what color should I do?
To the
Black.
That's ugly.
It's not. It's dark. Black. Creepy. No. Yes. And you guys, have you ever heard of the slime balloon challenge, where you put the ingredients inside balloons and you can't wait to see what color or something? Well, we're gonna do that one day.
Yeah, we're gonna do it like
Tomorrow, maybe.
tomorrow. And look
Oh,
at my
sorry guys, we had a thing where like the iPad storage was full, but
And sorry guys,
we just had to like
activated-
deleted it. And Elle thought she wanted to activate. I need more. But I need more activator, and I hope no hard bits come out.
No hard bits come out.
Oh wait, guys, pause. A hard bit came out. I'm just gonna scoop it out. Guys, we are back. We took out the hard bits, and we're going to put the activator.
I need some activator.
You don't have to copy everything I say. Why is there a leaf in yours? There's a leaf in Elle's. That's funny.
Well, I took it out.
and in case you guys didn't watch the other two videos from this slime kit, watch them. They are so good. I introduce you to this lady. Her name is Elle.
And her name is Gabby. And I'm 6. And,
I'm
she's
10. So, you didn't really have to say that, but okay. So,
My slime is really good right now. I'm holding it and it's so
I'm
good.
going to see if... Oh, and in the other video, we talked about how sometimes hard bits come out of here. And it's really bad. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. No hard bits came out. No hard bits came out, but I wasn't paying attention and the thing overflowed. But that's okay because...
I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow because I love yellow. It's the color of sun.
And I like black. It's the color of night. Whoa. It's like day and night slime. Wait, we didn't actually plan this. We didn't plan this. That's so cool. Day and night slime. I just realized that.
And this could be lemon slime.
Yes. If we had lemon scent, which we don't. We don't have lemon scent.
And she just said that. And look what I did to my finger.
She put paint on her finger by accident. We're on a towel. Ew, what the heck is that? Oh, that's your slime with a leaf on it. I thought it was like a weird booger. Have you guys ever seen the inside of mollusk or something? Whatever that clam thing is called. I saw one today.
Check it out.
It looks like a booger.
Yeah.
A long, sticky, yucky booger. I just brought that up out of nowhere, but that's okay. Ooh. I don't have any glitter. Should I put glitter?
Put gold.
White. Where's the glitter? Oh, should we make this butter slime?
Again?
Should we make another slime kit butter slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
Ow! Oh, that's a lot of paint in the container. Trying to get clay. You want clay, right?
Give me the whole thing.
Okay, you're not in the camera.
Give me the whole thing.
Oh! Oh! That okay, right. I wasn't trying to get. And if my slime turns gray, I'm just gonna add more black. And you could just. That's so funny.
Did you hear that, guys?
If you didn't, sorry. But oh, look at mine. I'm mixing in the clay. So satisfying.
It's so sad, and it's gonna fly into the bowl.
Some people don't like how I mix in the clay, or how we mix in the clay, but we love it. Right?
Yeah. Do you guys?
Comment below.
No. Look at my giant foot.
Oh, I'll take the foot away. Take the foot away. They don't want to see it. We'll be right back with move the foot.
Sorry, guys.
She went kind of crazy, and she's still going kind of crazy. We kind of mixed in the butter.
And we like to mix it with our hands. Comment down below if you like to.
And comment down below if you made butter slime. And tell us how did it turn out. Was it a slime good or was it a slime fail?
Because slime fails happen and
We had some.
We had some and
One time on New Year's we had one. Did we? No, it wasn't New Year's. This was a long time ago before we started the channel. We were making glitter glue slime and it failed. But we're doing a video.
be quiet. That was my dad walking in, and I told him to be quiet.
He's planting pots. Oh, we have some really cool plants in our backyard. Tell them about it. What type of plants do we have? We have a blueberry plant.
Yeah, we have blueberry. This is so bright yellow. Look,
I tried to grow a blueberry once.
Guys, look
And
how
at
bright
the
this
other
yellow
house,
is.
At the other house where my brother and sister are, I grew a plant and it's like little poppies and they just started sprouting and I love them so much. And she grows plants too, right, Elle?
Yeah.
How did
Look,
they get golden?
You also see my mermaid fin back there in the background,
No,
right?
mermaid fin. Why do you have a bag? Did you take that to Disney?
Yeah.
I didn't even see.
We went to Disney.
Yeah, we went to Disney.
I'm sorry I didn't.
I went to Disney. We went on 2 different parks because she went with her dad and I went with my mom.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna make a bubble!
Oh, don't get that. She almost got it on her leggings. But I went to Epcot and she went to
Magic Kingdom.
Oh, what princess did you do at the Bippity Bop Boutique?
I didn't know princess. I just said the princess is 6.
Oh.
Look,
You were just like a
look,
big. Oh, what a bird. We showed it to the camera. Well, you better do it.
That's what happened to me.
Yeah, and we're going to upload this later today.
And you might get to see it like later.
And it's spring break for us right now.
Yeah, I have in 10 days. It's my teacher's
Birthday.
birthday. Yeah. And we're at school.
And I'm going to Kentucky in a little while, like next month. I'm going to Kentucky.
It's super good to slime.
I'm going to Kentucky, but she's not.
I am.
You're not going to Kentucky.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Unless you sneak on the plane, because I got no you ticket. Hey guys, we're back, and the video's ending now.
Yeah.
But we did butter slime, so we're going to show you how it spreads before the video's over. So we'll be right back. Spreading my butter slime. Oh wait, Elle, your purple slime's here. But sorry. Let's try that again. Spreading butter slime.
Where is the clay?
It's over there. She's putting more clay in hers because she thinks she needs it. Whoa, that's like, oh, it got stuck on the knife. Oh, and this little knife came with a kit. And these two things that I don't know what you do with them. Oh, you poke. Oh, this is like a poking noise maker.
Sorry guys,
Oh, that's
I have
good.
to use the bathroom soon.
I paused it to the video. Oh, I stopped the video, but she had to use the bathroom, and that's why we took a little break. Ugh. Whoa. It's so good spreading, and you can roll it back and slice it. Here's Elle's spreading. Elle, give me. I'm going to spread it for you. Or she's putting more clay. We'll be right back with Elle. Oh, but in the meanwhile, I'll show you my poking noises.
It's not on.
It is. I turned it on.
Almost done mixing and doing a flip on you guys.
Let's see if it bubbles. Oh, this is thumbs up. Okay, so Elle, are you ready for your slime to be in there? She's mixing it. We'll be right back with Elle's slime. Oh, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Elle is ready. Oh, my slime got in your slime. So she's gonna, it's okay. Black is pretty.
Okay. Here's some of you.
That's yours. Put that there. So here's Elle with her slime. And here's the little knife thing.
So good.
I'm in your video. Hi. Hi, guys. Please like and subscribe. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe to the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.